How to upload Rivet model using Autodesk BIM Collaborate Pro. Let's start. Open your model. Click Collaborate tab. Select Collaborate tool. Choose in the Cloud option. Make sure you are in the right project. Select Project Files. In WIP folder. Choose Team folder you want to upload in. Now your model is saved as a cloud model. Open Autodesk Construction Cloud. Select your project. In WIP folder, you'll see your uploaded model. From Product Picker in the top, open Design Collaboration. In Home Tool, you'll find your model. Now you're ready for collaboration.